Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
The new GR Yaris is no normal hatchback. This is a pure sports car which has been created with the experts at Toyota GR Racing World Rally Team to deliver a driving experience like no other. Low and wide with a dramatic design, it incorporates knowledge and technology born from WRC, with aerodynamic design and a host of weight-saving materials, and an all-wheel drive traction powered by a uniquely thrilling engine. Let's look in detail at what makes this very special car into a winner. The new GR Yaris brings motorsport technology and design directly to a road car. The importance of lightness learned on the rally circuit meant every part was scrutinised to see where weight could be reduced. Although based on the new Yaris hatchback, the GR has 3 doors and a lower tapering roofline. This directs wind flow onto the rear spoiler to generate extra downforce and increase the feeling of stability at speed. But most enthusiasts will be curious to see what's under the bonnet. Let's take a closer look. Here's an engine that's anything but ordinary. It's the world's most powerful 3-cylinder engine and the lightest and smallest 1.6-litre turbo unit. It has character, but most of all, power. In fact, the output is 257 brake horsepower. That's more than most performance models from the class above the GR Yaris. The curb weight of 1,280 kilograms has been achieved through the use of motorsport technology and advanced materials. These remove mass but still offer incredible strength. For example, the roof is made of a new forged carbon material which saves 3.5 kilograms compared to steel and helps lower the car's centre of gravity. Meanwhile, aluminium is used for the bonnet, tailgate and front doors. This, combined with the power, means the GR Yaris is the definitive pocket rocket. The benchmark dash from a standstill to 62 miles per hour can be covered in 5.5 seconds, while the top speed is electronically limited to 143 miles per hour. But what those figures don't show is how well the GR Yaris will go around corners. Key to this ability is a new performance all-wheel drive system developed specifically for GR Yaris and called GR4. The system is electronically controlled with 3 modes the driver can select to suit their preference or road. First, there is track mode, which splits the power 50-50 between the front and rear and is suitable for fast driving in any road conditions, from a dry circuit to snowy surface. Then Sport mode, which splits the power 30-70 front to rear and makes the GR Yaris have the characteristics of a classic rear-wheel drive sports car. Finally, there's Normal mode, which sets the drive 60-40 and gives sure-footed handling for more relaxed everyday use. If you're intending to make the most of the GR Yaris's capabilities on the track or rally stage, then the optional circuit pack will give you even more of a competitive edge. A closer look shows that the circuit pack features lighter forged alloy BBS wheels with a 10-spoke design shod with Michelin Pilot 4S high-performance tyres. To ensure the tyre's full performance potential can be realised, the circuit pack features stiffer springs and anti-roll bars, adapted shock absorbers and recalibrated power steering. It's also equipped with front and rear Torsen limited slip differentials which offer enhanced cornering, performance and grip. The 3-spoke GR Sport steering wheel has a tactile smooth grain leather cover and is formed to provide a snug fit in the driver's palm. Performance car drivers are prepared to accept compromises for practicality, but that's not necessary with the new GR Yaris. You can use the rear to house a set of spare wheels for a track day at the weekend, and then fit child seats to do the school run on the Monday. It even has all the modern connectivity you need to use the GR Yaris every day, including smartphone connectivity via both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's a reversing camera as standard too. As with all new Yaris models, the GR is fitted with Toyota's Safety Sense technology to keep you safe on the road. The GR Yaris really is a rally-honed motorsport hero, which will bring excitement to your everyday journeys or give you the edge on the track. GR Yaris has the power to make every journey come alive.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Subscribe to Auto TV.